As you can see, you continue making the stitches, and you can do the same on the other half. You can finish with 3,807 and 792 on the edges. It's perfectly fine if you place these colors in another area of the petal, as long as you follow the color sequence. It doesn't matter if some areas look irregular. This is actually good. So I'll continue, and I'll see you to start working on the other two petals. To finish petal number 3, we're going to use color 3,807, and I did this with 208 so there wouldn't be too much contrast, because the difference with 308 looks very strong. We're going to make stitches starting from 208 toward 3,807 to finish petal number 3. Color 208 is the one I used in this area here, so it wouldn't be too contrasting with the surrounding colors. With 3,807, I'm making stitches that go from inside the previous color toward 208, starting well inside the area and moving outward. These are short, small stitches, and I'm going to work all the way around. As you can see, the contrast is not too strong and blends better with the rest of the areas. Now, to finish this project, I'm not going to fully show it because it's the same process, but with different colors. We're going to work with color 746 in this area here. I'll start first with 746. This area is defined in the pattern. Just like we did with this color before, we're going to use 157 as well. For these two petals, I want them to be a little lighter than this one, so I'm going to use more of the intermediate colors. I'll still use the darker colors, but only a very small amount, just on the edges, to give the petal a bit of vibrancy. Overall, I want these petals to be lighter, so I'll mainly use light and intermediate tones. I'll continue working, and I'll see you once the project is finished. Okay, I'm done now, as you can see, with the embroidery. If you followed all the steps, yours should look the same. The only difference I made was that I felt there wasn't much movement in petals 4 and 5 if I stopped at color 792. So I decided to add some 58 only on the outer upper area. this entire side here and this side here. If you remember, we used 58 here as well. Sorry, it's the same color, 58. And because of all the stitches, it's not very noticeable. This is common, so don't worry. I left it like that and didn't edit it because this can happen to you too. So what can we do? With color 939, which we used to make the veins, we're going to simply outline over it. Always using split stitch, we're going to stitch between the stitches we made with color 58, going slightly underneath. Not underneath. Sorry. On top in some areas. It's okay if it overlaps. There's no problem. If you look closely, you'll see that I'm inserting the needle at a slight angle and passing it underneath the previous stitch like Now, as you can see, the separation between one petal and the other is much more visible, and I think it looks much better. You can do the same on this side here, and once that's done, So if you notice, for just one flower, for a pansy, all the threads we used show that if you want to paint with thread in a realistic and vibrant way, it's always necessary to use many different strands and colors. I hope you liked it. Give it a like and subscribe.